Let's try moving the wrist, torso, and head. Here I'll be explaining how to move the wrist, torso, and head. They move the same way with both IK and FK. I'll be explaining with the user interface of version 2.3. Here I have the model. It's very simple to move the wrist, torso, and head. Just select the bone and rotate in the Euler rotation window. Let's look at the panel. Choose the button that says Wrist, Torso, and Body. It is separated by the left side of the body and right side. Let's start by moving the left wrist. Let's select the left side of the body. Then a submenu will appear. Select the wrist. All you need to do now is rotate it in the Euler rotation window. Let's look at the movement. Next, let's move the torso. The torso and head can be selected from either the menu for left side or right side of the body. Just like before, press the wrist, ankle, and body button. Select torso. Rotate it in the Euler rotation window. Try moving the head in the same way. Press the wrist, ankle, and body button. Select the head. Rotate it in the Euler rotation window. That's all for the instruction of moving wrist, torso, and head. Thank you for watching.